What's up guys, and welcome back to another weekly update, plus a bricklink haul. So we'll go ahead and get into this very quickly. We'll start with the bricklink haul. I actually have it in my hand, and my favorite piece. It was a very expensive haul, about $10, so we're going to go ahead and show it to you guys for the amount of piece. Alright, so I went ahead and picked up some of these from Ted and Flit's Bricks, I believe that's how you say it. Great seller. I bought some stuff from there before. They have a lot of rare parts, like rare colors. This stuff's not on the Lego site or any. You can probably only find this on Bricklink. They're about 30 cents each. I think they're about 40 cents each, 45 cents each, I think. So very expensive. I got 30 of them. So a nice collection to my or a nice addition to my rare parts collection, kind of, I guess you could say, because they are rare. So just add those to my stems over there. So now I got 4 different color stems: olive green. That's technically not a stem. It is, but you know, it's modified. I got a bunch of those. So yeah. So I've been parting that stuff out. Started a little mock down here. That'll be coming soon. Yeah, it's a mess on this table here. There's money laying everywhere. Get that out of the way really quick, but yeah, money laying everywhere basically, or as there was for a second. Christmas truce is done. Waiting for some caps coming from Brickmania to finish that thing off. Got to tank that and that. Also, I have. Where's my LVT? Oh, here. I finished an LVT. So this thing is sick. It's a big kit too. There are some techniques on here though that needed some brushing up, so I went ahead and did that, because this part in the front, it would only connect, but then this part would start coming up because they didn't build it like, they built it okay, but like the design's obviously awesome on the outside, but there's some tweaks on the inside it definitely needed. And I also changed the way the tracks are, changed the type of tracks as well, because I didn't want to buy the Brickmania ones because they're out of stock, and I couldn't find them anywhere else. So yeah, I need another 50 cal, I think that's 50 cal, and then I need two little, I think like 25 cal, I don't know what those ones are. Yeah. Alright, coming back over to this table, I pulled that off that table, working on a little house mock here for you guys. So, I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. I think I'm going to change up the roof a little bit, maybe. But, yeah, the house is definitely looking good. That side just needs some more tweaking with, and then, yeah, other than that, it looks decent so far. I've used so many of these things on it. So, yeah, or 1x2s on it. Yeah, oh, yeah, coming over here, I've been 3D printing a lot. So that's why there haven't been videos, as well as because I've been building a lot of kits. So we got the LVT, obviously, but you gotta have Japanese if you got Pacific Theater. So we got the A6M0 with a little modified torpedo. Torpedo is different than they say to build it. So torpedo on the bottom, yeah, obviously is different. The cool thing about this too is the landing gears can go up and down. So that's really cool. I built the pilot a little different too, but obviously you can't really see him, so it's just a brown Anakin Skywalker torso, some dark bluish gray pants, just a helmet, pilot helmet, and then a life jacket to cover the front. So it looks nice. I think I'm actually gonna get the sticker pack for that though. So yeah, better edition. And then I also, when I bought those, I bought 3 of these wheels, because I might build another one, and I'll probably give one to my friends. The friend that lent me the instruction book, which is right here. It's the part list. I printed out the part list so I could check it out, so I wouldn't have to write in the book, obviously. I wouldn't do that, but yeah. Still got a bunch of these 1x2 tiles, so I'm thinking about maybe expanding them out, because I think I have enough to do, like, if I expanded the house, made it a little bit bigger, I think I have enough. And on this side, you won't see at all, but yeah, so that's why it's just kind of like that. I was going to originally make it so you could see it, and then I just ripped off that white wall. And I did that already, and I didn't want to tear that apart because all the 1x2s are interconnected somehow with each other. So I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I really don't have any other piece to this besides the 1x2s, random assorted like that, and a bunch of these. I already had like probably a handful of these before I actually bought them, and then I already had probably like I'd say 100 before I bought these. But yeah, from the Lego store, and I've used quite a few of these on just builds and stuff lately. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this little weekly update. Parts. So actually, the room's pretty clean other than that table. Oh, also, I forgot to say, I've been parting out the filler brick on this table, the long stuff, and then, oh, over here on, I think you saw it, but underneath where the LVT is, a bunch of SD cards, too. Got these new sorting bins here, so obviously some of these are over the top, so I didn't fill them up anymore, but this is for the top. I have so many of these 2x4s, and the good news is I have these is because I hardly have any 2x4s left in any other color because of D-Day, which is staying built for probably ever. Hopefully ever. It's my first mock, so I like, or first big mock, World War II, so I want to keep built. The beach is not set up, but because all the obstacles are up there, just because when we moved it, I just did that. Sorry if the audio is bad because it's kind of high up. So yeah, when we moved it, and then I also had to detach the water a little bit, and that's why I got a little bit, I'll show you guys this. I got a little bit of extra used stuff that was on D-Day. This is all the new stuff, non-faded. Let's keep it that way. Yeah, those are my circle 2x2s, 2x2 bricks, 2x6, 2x6. 2x3, 2x4, 2x8, 2x4, 2x4. There's so many 2x4s though. And then also I've been printing some track links for my kits. I started 3D printing these, but those are the only ones that I actually finished. These ones I just need to tear off the excess stuff from. So there's a bunch in there. I probably have enough. Probably have like 130 in there. 130 track links done. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Also, the wall is completely full now. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, guys, finale of the Christmas truce coming soon. Some time lapse is coming soon, and some reviews on that stuff coming soon. All right, guys, and also the bricklink haul. Cool, pink parts. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time here on the Crazy Brick.